Big news today on March 9th, 2026. Copilot, what used to be known as agent mode, has now been rebranded as Edit with Copilot. Okay, so what they were previously calling agent mode is now Edit with Copilot. For me, it's still behind the little slider icon, but I'm hearing from my friends that they already have it as the default, so it's rolling out. Great news, we can choose between OpenAI 5.2 and Cloud Opus 4.6. This is really big. We no longer need to turn AutoSave on. This is like a very dangerous setting in Excel, and before, to use Copilot, we had to have that on. No longer a thing. No longer have to be in OneDrive. This can be a file stored locally, and it'll work. Except for if you press Control N, right, and get a new workbook that has not been saved, Copilot will not work with this. It says this is the wrong file format, which I think is just a bad message. As long as you save it and give it a name, then you're good. Although the thing that is driving some people a little mad is things like advanced analysis with Python is missing for now. They say that the agent mode will eventually be able to do that, but today it can't. Feels like a lot of Excel customers are just unwittingly in this huge beta. Like we've been paying for Copilot this whole time, and they just decided, oh yeah, everything we're doing is not the way to go. We're going to go with this new thing. And the new thing is not completely ready yet. But it will be. But keep paying us. I don't know. A little frustrating. I have a video for tomorrow where we're going to use agent mode to try and replicate the Hank's Pizza commercial. It's interesting. It does a great job. But you know, the standard for AI today is replicating something that a 14-year veteran is able to do. And I don't think they're there yet. All right. Well, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.